Welcome back, developers. Today, we're diving deep into the most significant JavaScript ecosystem updates that occurred between November 5th and November 10th, 2025. We'll cover a range of crucial developments that impact your daily workflow and project security. From the latest Bun and Vite releases to critical NPM policy changes, the exciting announcement of Remix v3, and the ongoing security fallout from past incidents. This comprehensive overview will provide you with everything you need to know to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving JavaScript landscape. Let's kick things off with Bun version 1.3.2. This significant release brings a substantial number of improvements, specifically addressing and fixing 287 issues, which dramatically enhances the overall stability and reliability of the Bun runtime. A key feature re-enabled in this update is hoisted installs for existing projects. This change is particularly beneficial for large monorepos, as it significantly speeds up dependency resolution, making your development process much more efficient. Additionally, Bun install now writes a config version to bun.lock/bun.lock for easier future upgrades. Bun 1.3.2 also introduces an experimental CPU profiling flag, CPU perf. This powerful new tool allows developers to identify and diagnose performance bottlenecks directly within Bun, streamlining the optimization process. Furthermore, Bun test now includes a new onTestFinished hook that runs at the very end of a test, after all after each hooks have completed. Moving on to a critical security update, NPM has announced a major shift in its token policy. The era of classic long-lived tokens is officially coming to an end, marking a significant step towards a more secure ecosystem. As of November 5th, the creation of new classic tokens has been disabled. More importantly, on November 19th, all existing classic tokens will be globally revoked. This means developers must take immediate action to avoid disruptions to their workflows. To maintain access and security, developers are now required to switch to granular tokens, which come with significantly shorter lifetimes. The default expiry for these new tokens is 7 days, with a maximum configurable lifetime of 90 days, drastically reducing the window for potential compromise. In addition to granular tokens, NPM is strongly emphasizing the adoption of OpenID Connect, or OEDC, authentication and mandating two-factor authentication, 2FA, for package publishing. Write-enabled granular access tokens now enforce 2FA by default, further bolstering security measures across the platform. Next up, Vite has been busy, shipping 3 rapid-fire updates back-to-back, versions 7.2.0, 7.2.1, and 7.2.2. These releases demonstrate Vite's commitment to continuous improvement and stability. These updates collectively include a multitude of bug fixes, notable performance improvements, and crucial internal stability enhancements. If you are currently utilizing Vite 7, upgrading to the latest version is highly recommended due to its low-risk nature and the significant benefits it provides. Vite 7.2 also introduces HTTP2 support with the proxy feature enabled and adds the build.license option for enhanced build configuration. A major architectural shakeup has been announced with Remix v3. This new iteration of the framework is moving towards a Preact-based, more imperative, and fundamentally web-first model, signaling a significant evolution in its design philosophy. Remix v3 is focused on simplicity, performance, and closer integration with native web APIs. Simultaneously, existing Remix v2 features are being seamlessly merged into React Router v7. This strategic integration provides developers with a stable and smooth upgrade path, ensuring continuity and minimizing disruption as the ecosystem evolves. It's important to note that Remix v3 is currently experimental and optional. Shifting our focus to security, analysts have revisited the September 2025 NPM compromise. During this incident, attackers successfully hijacked 18 well-known packages, including popular ones like Chalk and Debug, highlighting a critical vulnerability in the supply chain. The attackers injected malicious code specifically designed to steal crypto credentials from unsuspecting users. This severe incident serves as a stark reminder and directly explains why NPM is now aggressively tightening its security protocols and implementing more stringent measures across the platform. The aggressive security tightening by NPM, including the implementation of short lived tokens, mandatory 2FA, and OIDC workflows, is a direct response to these threats. The developer community is now more vigilant than ever about potential supply chain vulnerabilities and the importance of robust security practices. That concludes our comprehensive roundup of this week's essential JavaScript news. If you're interested in a more in-depth exploration of Bun's new profiling capabilities, the intricacies of NPM's authentication changes, or the innovative design principles behind Remix 3, please let me know in the comments section below. Your feedback helps shape future content. Thank you for watching and staying informed with the latest developments in the JavaScript world. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to bringing you more valuable insights.